Yeah, naka-post.
Opo. Post natin.
So we're going to discuss now how to properly insert the T568 cable inside our RJ45. So be sure that the gold-plated metal is facing in front of you, and you have to check the arrangement of the cables from lightest color to darkest color, as what discussed a while ago. Okay, and be sure if you're going to insert the cable, you are holding it at the tip of the cable. So now we're going to insert it. Okay, and be sure the cable coating is located inside the RJ45, and we're going to check the tip of the RJ45 if the wires are intact inside, properly intact inside the tip. Okay, so now we're going to use the crimping tool. Okay. Be sure that the teeth of the crimping tool will match on the teeth of the RJ45. Okay, so I will insert it inside the crimping tool, and while you are crimping it, be sure that you are pushing it. Okay, so